and welcome to the first episode of Average Man Reviews. That's me, I'm Average Man. So today, this is an empty box. This is the figure that went in the box. I think unboxing videos are boring as shit, so this is a Warhammer 40k Space Marine that has some ridiculous ass name. The Ultramarines Primaris Assault Intercessor. Whatever. We don't care about any of that. The main question is, for $20, is he worth it? Yeah, absolutely. I was really impressed with him. First thing you'll notice with the box is it's heavy. I thought maybe they use like industrial cardboard. Nah, your man is dense. Let's go over what he comes with. So you have the base figure. He comes with his cool ass chainsaw sword, pistol, with a little stand, and then he comes with his jetpack backpack. And that pops in super easy. It did take me a minute to kind of figure out his balance point to get him to stand proper. I thought this was cool. So you can see the articulation on him is what kind of impressed me. I mean, he's got full range of motion on his arms, bending at the elbows and at the bicep. His wrist just turns in a circle. This just impresses me, like that they made it where the shoulders stick out on this little ball and peg a little bit away from the body. And it doesn't take too much to pop it back on. There we go. Because I popped it off when I pulled him out of the package and I thought I broke him and I was kind of sad. But his backpack jetpack thing is spaced just enough off of his back so you can move his shoulder and it doesn't hit it. I mean, they did some actual real plotting and planning with this guy. That's just so cool. For the legs, same thing. Again, surprising his level of posability. Like, I really was not expecting it. I thought he was going to be kind of a glorified statue, but like even at the waist, he's got multiple degrees of movement and bend. You see how he has the spot right there under his neck. I figured that was just the figure's body and he doesn't move. Nah, that whole section moves too. He has like an independent collarbone neck connection, but he has left and right from the actual helmet. And then it's like a swivel joint that his neck and collarbone is on. As far as his accessories and stuff go, you'll see his sword, his chain sword is a little bit of a thinner plastic, a bend and some give to it, which is, you know, probably so it can flex to fit into his hand better. The pistol does not. The pistol is very solid. I mean, it's a solid fit. Pretty cool little detail. He's got a skull at the bottom of his chain sword. Unfortunately, that means you can't just slide the sword into his hand. So, kind of have to like, come on. Hold your weapon. Do better. Well, let's try something else. It's kind of ridiculous. I can't get anything in it. There we go. That gets it a little more malleable. Here, stand on that and look dramatic. So, Average Man Review. Ow. So, Average Man Review, the weakest part would be the sword. And it sucks, because a big part of their image is the chain sword. Kind of lame that it's made out of such a thin, wiggly plastic. That and like the fact that I had to heat up his hand. The paintwork isn't phenomenal. Paint is simplistic, but it's not a bad paint job, if that makes sense. And well made, well detailed, value for the money. I mean, just dude, 10 out of 10. Like, mad props to McFarlane Toys, because I ain't gonna lie, some of the McFarlane toys have sucked. Some of their figures have been great statues, but really lame toys. This guy looks great posed and is also posable, which is pretty cool to see. So, 10 out of 10.